Hey guys, it's Grace Marty Diva with another Grace Marty Curvy Diva, and I'm back with another video. So right now we're at Mystic Mountain and we're going to do a lot of activities today. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do it in parts. So I'm gonna send part 1 on Monday, part 2 on Tuesday. So oh my god guys, this beautiful view. I really calmed down now for a while. Okay guys, we're going up. You will see that. Oh my god, we're going fast. We're going really fast. Taylor says she can't see mermaid from up here, so I wonder how.
See tail there for too. You don't see how fast she does swim.
Area.
Hi,
Alright.
Serena.
It's not even funny.
Coupon with big
I never know that I was scared of heights until now. Oh my god, it's going fast. Okay, it's going back slow. I'm scared. I want to go back.
Wow, you want to look amazing.
Taylor, don't move. What's your name, darling? Alright, come this way. There goes Samara with the screaming. All the way they got to go. Samara is scared to take the first step, guys, and there she goes. Go, Samara. Okay, Samara. Get going, Samara. She has to go all the way up to the top, guys, and then all the way around and come down on that net. There Dijon goes on the ATV ride. All right, Dijon, go. Once on Ghana Road. Roll out.
Samara want mad somebody, you know, Miss trust me. Miss Should've trust. I remember the time when we go up and go kart and the girl crashed with me. The girl literally crashed with me.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh. They hear me, I make one bag of nice.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Woo! Come in.